Hello, good people. This is Chris Ogene reporting from Fitzgerald Toyota in Gaithersburg, Maryland. Again, I appreciate very much all your support, all the clicks, the likes, and the subscriptions to my YouTube channel, Chris Sells Cars. I have one of my special packages here for you. It is a brand new 2024 Toyota Prius Xle. And this one is in the windshield pearl, blizzard pearl, whatever you want to call it. It is that white pearl color. It does have the front parking sensors on the vehicle. And there's also a radar right behind this flat panel that works with a tiny camera right at the top of the windscreen to form your lane tracing function, lane departure alert. This one has a beautiful midnight black metallic front accent on the front air deflector. You have the amber side reflectors, amber lights, safety lights. You have 19-inch two-tone alloy wheels. Very, very beautiful with the Michelin all-purpose tires. Over here, you have the extra visibility panel that's very, very popular. And then when you come over to the side here, you have the blind spot monitor right there in the mirrors, side mirrors. You have the fixed double glass roof. That's a fixed glass roof. It has a double moonroof outlook on the inside with the shades. You have the remote entry function right here, keyless remote entry function. Here you have a beautiful power chair with lumbar support, beautiful perforated gray Softex with beautiful piping, performance piping on these performance seats as well. That's very, very important. And then if you look inside here, you see it has all-weather mats throughout the vehicle. This one also has a heated steering wheel. I'm going to get inside here so you can see. Look at this 12.3-inch touchscreen panel. All right. You also have USB-C chargers. You have the heated seat settings. So this one has the heated seats as well as the heated steering wheel. You have a wireless Qi charger to charge your devices. All-weather mats throughout the vehicle. That's the double moonroof. Double moonroof right there. So it has two different panels that you can open up. Ample seating for up to 3 adults in the back there. So ample seating for up to 3 adults in the back. Again, beautiful, beautiful perforated Softex. I'm going to come over here to the back. Now, I love the styling here. You have the top-mounted handle to open the vehicle. And then again, you see that space in the back for up to 3 full-size adults. You have the magazine pocket there. You have USB-C chargers right there. And again, the all-weather mat system throughout the vehicle. It's really a nice vehicle. Shark's fin antenna right there. You have your hatchback with the integrated air deflector in the back there. You can see that shape for the aerodynamics. The back parking sensors in the back right there. Hybrid electric vehicle. You can see the Prius badging as well as the XLE. That's an XLE right there, okay? And then in here you have the soft tonneau cover. It's a removable cover. You have the all-weather mat in the back there. Safety kit, first aid kit. You also have a cargo net back there as well. And then when you lift here, you can just see some little storage cube areas right there. All right. If you'd like this in your driveway, you definitely want to call Chris Ogene as soon as possible at 202-607-9517. I'm going to pan out so that you can see this vehicle very well. It is gorgeous. All right. This vehicle has won the International Design Award for the best car design for 2024. I don't know the specifics of it, but it did win that award. If you want this in your driveway, you definitely want to call Chris Ogene at 202-607-9517. This is going to disappear very quickly. Thank you.